Hello guys, welcome back to sharpen platform, and in today's video we are going to continue our C++ series, and in today's video we are also going to continue our pattern problem series. Okay, so in previous video we had solved some 2 to 3 questions and I explained everything about how to approach and pattern problem and everything about that. Okay, but in today's video we are going to solve more question, and next 3 to 4 videos will be like that. Okay, based on completely based on pattern problems. Okay, so let's go to the code id. Okay, here let me open a new file or make a new file. So the name, this is the video number 6. So video number 6 problem 1 dot cpp. Okay, here what we have to do, what is the first problem? Let us see. Okay, these 3 problems we have done in our previous videos, and we are going to solve this question now. Okay, this fourth problem where we have to print 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 like that in every row. Okay, so the column is the value of column is fixed in every row. Okay, but it is changing when it is moving towards the last column from the first column. Okay, so what is the logic behind that? Let's think. At first, let's write the first thing once again. Okay, so what we have to do to print this pattern, fourth pattern, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4. Let me go to the code editor and write the basic structure of a C++ program. Has include IOStream using namespace standard. Okay, after that I have to declare a variable int main, and inside it I have to write the code. Okay, executable code. So what is the first step? Here we can see the row number and column number both are 4. Okay, so we can declare a variable like n. This is 4. This will actually will be helpful during setting the condition for row and column operation. Okay, after that what we have to do, I have to declare a variable I for row updation. So I will start from 1, means first row, then while I is less than or equal to what, in. Okay, like that. What to do now? We have to declare another variable called as j for the column updation. So j will start also from 1, and here we have to attach another while condition. Okay, while j is less than or equal to n. Okay, now what we have to print? See out what? We have to print actually the count from 1 to 4. So here I'm giving this variable named as count, but we have not declared it yet. So we cannot declare it before the before here. Here we cannot declare the count variable, because count will only run uh, with the column. Okay, so it is not updating everywhere. It is just updating from column number 1 to column number 4. Okay, so we cannot write it in outer loop, uh, before outer loop. We have to write it before the inner loop. So here we will declare another variable named as count, and it will start also from the value 1, and now all is okay. So now we are printing count. So now we'll start from 1. After that we have to update both count and both column number. So we have to write here count plus plus, then close it, and j plus plus, then close it. Okay, simple. After that what we have to do, we have to go to the next line for printing another row. Okay, so for going to the next line, we'll write this statement cout endl. Okay, a new line actually. And after that what we have to do, we have to update the row number. Okay, so this is the flow of the program. Let me run, and after that I will explain it. Okay, all is okay. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. We can actually give a space here. Now let's run it. Let's run it. Okay, now it is looking good. So what is the matter here? What is the flow of the program actually? At first we're declaring a variable called as in, and the value is set as 4. We can also change it. After that, int I, this I variable is uh, the number of rows. Okay, it is representing the number of rows. So while number of rows is less than or equal to n, means we know that in our question here we can see the number of rows can be 4 or less than 4. Means this is first row. Okay, there can be one row, there can be two row, there can be three row, and at max there can be four rows. Okay, there cannot be fifth row or sixth row or more than this. Okay, so this is the condition I have applied here. While I is less than or equal to j. Sorry for the background noise. So here, while I is less than equal to j means while row number is less than equal to j, equal to n, it will check here. Okay, yes, when the value of I is 1, then yes, satisfying the condition. After that we will write the condition for the column. So int j equal to 1. Okay, this the column will also start from the first column. Okay, by printing the first column. So here j equal to 1, and we have to add another variable count for column. Okay, because count in print is printing in column and updating within the column. Okay, it will not update globally, because whenever we will go to the next row, it will start from 1. Okay, it will the count will reset. So for that reason we have written it after the in inner loop. Okay, before the inner loop. So this is the extra part here. Okay, after that we have to write another while, and here we have to check if the column number is less than or equal to 4, means in, and we have to see out what we have to output the value of count. Okay, 1 means in first case 1, and after that we have to update the count to the value 2, or you can say we have to increase the value by 1. So now the value of count is 2 and the column number is also 2. Okay, so this is like that. We can also, we can do another thing. Okay, the program will be shorted, and the flow is like that. We can also directly print the j actually. Okay, because j is also updating. So without declaring another variable, we can directly print the value of j, because j is also starting from 1. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so here is the same output. So here, this is a basic problem. This become now a basic problem. There is not any other variable here, only I and j. I hope you understand. It is printing actually the column number. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So for that reason we have applied j here. Now it is updating the j, and j becomes 2. Now 2 will go to this loop. It will check if 2 is less than or equal to 4. yes, it will print 2 means j. After that j will update to 3, 3 will go to the loop and it will check if 3 is less than or equal to 4, yes, then we print 3 means j, the value of j is 3. After that it will become 4 and go to the while loop and it will check if 4 is less than or equal to n. Here it is equal to n 4, so it will print 4. Okay, after that it will become 5, but here the code will be terminated, or this part will be terminated. Now it will go to the next line. So for going to the next line, here we have written a statement called count endl. Okay, so see out endl, it means we have to output or go to the next line. Okay, and the loop will continue. Here we have to update the row number also. So for updating the row number, here I have written I plus plus, and simply after doing this, this initial int I value will become 2 and 2 will go to further to the while. Okay, so the program will continue like that. I hope you understand. If there is any problem, you can repeat the video. Okay, rewind it and watch it again. So let's go to the next problem. What is the next problem? This is completed, and in next problem we have to print a pattern like this. Okay, star pattern. So in first row there is only one star, in second row 1 and 2 star, means first column and second column. Here 3 columns, here 4 columns. So what is logic here? The logic is simple. Simply row number column number will be less than or equal to row number. Okay, like here in first row you can see, in first row the row number is 1 and column number is also 1, and it is printing star for that. In second row you can see here the row number is 2. Okay, and it is printing star for row number column number 2 or less than 2. Okay, means 1. In third, if we go to the third row, here you can see the maximum column number is 3 here, where star is printed, and 2 and then 1, means less than or equal to the row number. Okay, this is the logic here. So let's go to the code id and make a new file. After that we'll write this program. So this is video 6 and problem 2 dot cpp. Okay, so at first similarly we have to write the basic structure of C++. So has include iostream. After that, using namespace standard. Okay, now we have to declare a variable called int main, function, so called main, and inside it we have to write the code. So the basic thing always we write is that at first we have to declare a variable as the constraint. Okay, for row and column. So int n is a variable and the maximum value can be 4 here. Okay, we have written it, but we don't know if it is needed or not. Okay, let's go. After that we have to declare a variable for row number. So int I equal to 1, it will start from row number 1. So like that. After that we have to add a while statement, and here we have to attach a condition like row number should be, okay, row number should be less than or equal to n, means it can be less than or equal to 4. If we go to the question, you can see row number is less than or equal to 4, means this line. Okay, this is first row, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth one. Okay, but we cannot apply this logic for the column. Okay, we have to apply another logic, I have told you. So here what we have to do, we have to declare another variable called as j for updating the column number. So j will start from 1 definitely, and after that we have to attach while statement for column. Okay, means condition for column. So what is the condition? This is the crucial part here and the important part. So j should be, I have told you already, j should be less than or equal to the row number. Okay, means I. So this is the only change here. After that everything is similar. See out what? See out is, you have to output star pattern. After that we can print a normal space for the for beautifying the program, and you have to update the j. Okay, when the loop will be terminated, then we have to go to the next line. So for that we can write here cout endl. Okay, and close it. After this we have to, after this, if this after while loop is terminated, then we have to update the column number. Okay, sorry, row number. So we have to do I plus plus. Okay, close it now. I think everything is okay here. Let me run this program. Okay, so there is a problem. Let me see what is the problem here. Okay, so j is the column number simply. Okay, let me check. N starting n is 4. Okay, I means row number is 1, and if 1 is less than or equal to 4, yes, then it will go to the j. Okay, it will go to the j, and j will start from 1, and 1 should be less than 1, less than or equal to 1. Okay, then print star, then j plus plus means 2, then it will become 2 and go to here. 2 will be less than or equal to I. No, it will be terminated. But what is the problem here? Okay, let me see. Okay, okay, so there is a small problem. Okay, I have written the updating statement here. So I should write the updating statement for row inside this bracket. Okay, I plus plus, because it is updating, and after that it is leaving this loop and going to the while loop again. Okay, so like that. If you remove this part from here, you can see, or you can imagine it. Okay, it is updating and going to the outer loop. So likewise in this loop also, in while loop, it is updating till j, and after that the bracket, and after it is going to the while loop. Okay, now if we run the program, you can see here this pattern is printed. Okay, this is very easy. What I have done, at first n equal to 4, which is unnecessary. We can directly put n equal to 4 in the condition, but this is just for input statement. Okay, I will show you how you can get the input, and then you can print it according to the user. So then up there, after that we have to declare a variable called named as I, and initialize it with the value 1, because there will be, there can be actually, the row number can start from 1. Okay, only one row. So I will start from 1. So for that reason we have initialized it, the value of I, with 1. After that you have to apply the condition. Okay, like while I is less than or equal to n means 4, then do this, then do the inner program. Okay, run the inner program or execute the inner portion of this program. Means in inner, sorry for the background noise. So in inner portion means here what we have to do, we have to declare another variable called as j for column number, and initialize it similarly with the value 1. Okay, because column number will also start from 1 and go up to what, here we have to apply the condition. So while j is less than or equal to I. Okay, because here you can see, let me go to the here. Okay, so in as I told you, previously that here row number is 1 and column number is also 1, row number is 2 and column number is 2 or 1, means we can say j is less than or equal to I. Okay, this is the condition. So we have applied it here, j is less than or equal to I, and print star for this, and after update j, and it will go further while and check it, and it will when it will terminate, it will go to the next line through the keyword statement, and it will update I equal to I plus plus. Okay, it will update the row number. So for that we have written I plus plus. I hope you understand this program. So let us go to the next question. Okay, so what is the next question? It was very simple. So this was actually, this all are actually the basic problems. We will do advanced problems. Okay, also here you have to print butterfly structure and many other things. So let's go to the next question for now, where we have to print 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. This is very simple. Okay, just what we have to do, sorry for any background noise. Okay, so let's, okay, so here we can see the try to find out the logic here. Okay, try to relate the C out with I or J at first. Okay, so here the column number is 1, row number is also 1, and it is printing 1. Okay, let's go to the next case. In second case, column number is 1 and column number is 2, so we cannot apply J. Let's go to the row number. So row number is 2 and 2 is printed in both cases. Similarly, here row number is 3 and 3 is printed in every column. Likewise 4. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply just copy this program. Everything will be similar. Okay, let me make another file, grade 6 problem 3 .cpp. Okay, here let me copy paste it, and just the changes we have to output what, we have to output the row number here. Okay, instead of star. So let's run it. Okay, 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. Okay, like that. So this was simple. We have to just replace star with the column number. Just you have to find out the logic and then put it to the code. Okay, so this is done easily. Let's go to the next question. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is actually counter. When uh, when you will see any pattern like this, then always use counter concept. Okay, so this will be similar. So I am making another file called as video 6 problem 4 .cpp, and everything will be same here also. Where we have to change, we have to just add a counter before the outer loop. Okay, because the number is changing globally. Okay, in every box, so we have to attach the counter outside of the outer loop. Okay, so at first we have to declare int count, and we have to initialize it with the value 1, and likewise like I, we have to update this count here also. Count, no, we cannot update it here. We have to update it inside while loop, because while loop will continue till the statement okay, becomes false. So count plus plus. Okay, like that. Here we have to print count. Okay, just go through this code and try to understand yourself. Okay, try to do it, try to find out the logic. I have told you. Okay, but if you cannot understand, rewrite this code and go through this by checking method. Means, let's say I is starting from 1, so 1 is less than equal to n. Now j is also, j means the column number is 1. Yes, j is less than equal to 1. Okay, now see out what count means 1, so we have printed 1 here after this space, and now we have to go to the next row, next box, actually means next column or next, like that. Okay, and after that, if I becomes 2, okay, if I becomes 2, then further go to the while loop and check if 2 is less than equal to n. Then j will start all further from first column, so j is 1 initially, so 1 is less than this. See out what count is previously 1 and it is updated to this. Okay, let me run this before talking all about that. Okay, this is very important, if it is printing correctly or not. Okay, this is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is correct here. I hope you can understand this. If you have any problem, you can comment down, actually it is. Okay, you can comment down and I will definitely pick your problem and we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, let's go to our problem statement page. You can try this all problems. Okay, here is 1 2 1, then 3 to 1. It is actually printing from reverse. Okay, this is another type. We'll do this. Okay, we'll do this last two problems, including another more 2 to 3 problems in next video. Okay, till then keep practicing these problems and master these problems and try this too also. But don't worry if uh, it seems to be difficult. You can we will just explain it in next video. Okay, so I hope you understand everything in this video. Just keep practicing and you can do it. Okay, we will solve more than 20, 25, or 30 questions, and yes, that's all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our video and thank you for watching this video till the end. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.